Welcome to Mirvac's Health, Safety and Environment Induction for the Old Treasury Building development. The overall project consists of a demolition phase, followed by the construction of basement car parking, lobby and plaza areas, annex building and 30 levels of commercial office space. Personal protective equipment must be worn on this site and consists of hard hat, steel-capped footwear, protective eyewear, high-vis clothing and gloves. If any of your PPE has a fault, report it and get it replaced. On this project, only platform ladders are to be used unless they are being used on scaffolding to get from one level to another. In this case, the ladders must be tied or clamped top and bottom and extend 1 metre above the access level. Only qualified people may operate cranes or carry out rigging and dogging work, and they must hold a current high-risk work licence. Take note of the safety signs and comply with them as required. Note the meanings of the different colours. Mirvac have strict alcohol and drug rules. Alcohol and illegal drugs are not allowed on this site or to be consumed in the workplace at any time. If you are affected, you will be deemed unfit for work and will be refused entry or removed from the site. Offensive material and offensive behaviour will not be tolerated. People working on this site must comply with Mirvac's policies and procedures, which are displayed on the site notice boards in the lunchroom and the office foyer. A copy of this induction is also there. Anything you do not understand should be raised with your supervisor or with Mirvac management. Permit to work is required for all confined space work. Never enter a confined space without taking precautions. Bring a mate to stay outside. No dangerous, hazardous or toxic substances are to be brought onto this site unless material safety data sheets are provided. A copy of the MSDSs is held in the site office. Any injury, even minor cuts and abrasions, must be reported to the first aid officer, your foreman or supervisor, and logged in the first aid injury register. There are several qualified first aid personnel on this site. Their names and numbers are displayed in the first aid room and site office, so please record some of them and carry them with you. A note tucked inside your hard hat is a good idea. At the end of the day, we want everyone to go home safely to their family and friends. To help us to achieve this, we need every one of you to do the right thing and take ownership of your actions in the workplace. We've introduced the TOPS Award to recognise and reward those who are seen to be doing the right thing. We need you to comply with all of our procedures and to look after your mates. On our weekly safety inspections, 100% compliance is rewarded with $100 to spend at a Bunnings warehouse. So thanks for paying attention to this induction. We hope you will enjoy being a part of our team, and who knows, in years to come you may be able to stroll along the terrace with your grandkids and look up and say, "I helped to build that."